If a woman has a body count of 8 or more, it's a no for me. Period. That's the cutoff for me. Nothing above 8. If you have a body count of 8 or more, and if you don't know what body count means, you can Google it. It means that you have dated 8 persons in your life. And I'm talking about dating, if you know what I mean. But I don't care how sweet she is. I don't care how pretty. I don't care how bad. It doesn't matter to me. Once you hit the number 8, it's a cutoff for me. I ain't dating a woman who have a body count of 8 and more. Period. I know people will say, T-Dog, that's unrealistic. It's just my preference. 8 is too high in the first place. But I said to myself, let me put on some grace period on it. That's how I ended up with 8. In reality, it should be 6, but let me just push it to 8 because we're human beings. Anything above 8 is a no for me. I don't want to be with a woman where so much man have had access to you like that. Too much man would have had access to you, and it's a turn off for me. You shouldn't be that available that easily. You should pick and choose with who you are with. 8 is the cutoff. And now you want me to come after all of that and treat you like I'm the first? I should be head over heels about you. I should be going crazy about you. I should go above and beyond for you. But you've been with 8 person. You have dated 8 person. Your body count is 8. Hell no, I'm not doing it. In this culture, especially the Caribbean, we value exclusively. We don't want to settle down with somebody who has been passed around like a flyer. That's not how it works. We want to know that whomever we are with are saints. People who think and thought carefully about who they are with. Not just throwing it around like it's passed around donkey. Some women want to run around and play games all of their young days. And then, when it's all said and done, when they're ready to settle down, that thing, Dick, Tom and Harry have been in there. No, not for me. Once you hit 8, I'm not gonna make it to number 9. And even if I do make it to number 9, and once I find out that I'm number 9, I'm gone. Period. Imagine as a man, you married this woman, or you made her your girlfriend, only to find out that every man known to mankind has been there. How does that look on you as a man? To know that you are with a woman where everybody knows every color underwear that she has put on before. Everybody can tell you how much strings make her up. Everybody can tell you how freaky she is. Everybody can tell you, say it good or in a good. That is a red flag. As woman, you have to have morals. You have to have self-respect. Don't just give it to every man who said that they like you, or every man who come with a smiling face, or every man who has money. You just throw yourself around like that. It doesn't look good. Truth is, the standard is 8. After that, I'm gone. You're not for me, you're for the streets. The world is now a messed up place. Society don't want you to ask about these things anymore. Society wants you to take her for what she is. Don't ask about her past. Nowadays, if you ask a woman about their past, you're the red flag, not her. Even if she has a bad past, don't judge her for it. Don't say anything bad. Love her for it. Accept it. Be the man that she wants you to be. But when she was running around and giving it out like a plate of food and putting her ass on a silver platter for Dick, Tom and Harry, that time she didn't know that she wanted a husband one day. But anyways, that is nonsense and that is rubbish. Your past does matters. You as a person should know your life choices and life decisions that you make when growing up. When you reach certain age, you should make certain valid decisions. Don't just run around and make unnecessary decisions or poor decisions and think that it won't affect you in the long run. A man wants a woman that has never been touched before. That is his first preference. Some men might push it to 5 or 6. Mine is 8 because I'm being realistic. Anything above 8, just no. It's just wrong and it's just no and it's a turn off. So let me ask you this. What is your cutoff when you're in a relationship? Does body count matters to you or is just another day? Let me know what you think in the comment section. This is Raw Talk with T-Dog. Like and share, subscribe, and I'll talk to you soon.